So on the 25th of January, I was at Paisley Street because there was a PLPR train that was passing there and I wanted to see it. However, my first catch today was 1AF78, the 1908 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central or Dawson Harbour with 380-109. Then here she came under 114C, the 1915 direct rail service to Moss End Down Yard from Moss End Down Yard with 37059 in the lead and 37259 in the rear. I wanted to see this because I thought it was going to be 37419 and 37043. However, that's not the case, and we'll be doing the Highland PLPR train tomorrow, which I will be going to see. But anyway, here she comes.